In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Slack the easy way. Let's start with the fastest method, using a slash command. In any channel or direct message, type slash to do, then write the task in plain language, and mention the teammate who should own it. For example, you might type slash to do, add a clear task name, include a short description, and mention the person responsible. If your workspace supports due dates or reminders with this command, add a date or time right in the message so it's tracked from the start. Press enter, and the task is created and shared where the conversation is happening. This keeps context and ownership together, and the assignee is notified immediately. A quick tip here: keep your task titles action-oriented and concise. If you need extra details, add them as a follow-up message or attach the original thread so nothing gets lost. If you prefer a visual approach inside Slack, use Slack's built-in lists. Open or create a list in the relevant channel or project space, add a new item, give it a clear title, and assign it to a teammate by mentioning them within the item. Set a due date if available, and use the description field for requirements, links, or checklists. Lists are great for team visibility. Everyone in the channel can see what's in progress, what's blocked, and what's done. Encourage teammates to comment on the task item instead of starting separate side chats so decisions and updates stay threaded and discoverable. For more advanced workflows, integrate a task app like Asana, Trello, or Workast. First, add the app to your Slack workspace with the appropriate permissions. Once connected, you can create tasks directly from Slack using message shortcuts or app-specific slash commands. For instance, turn a message into a task in your project board, assign it, set a due date, and link it to the right project, all without leaving Slack. The benefit here is bi-directional updates. Comments, status changes, and completions sync between the task app and Slack, reducing duplicate work and keeping everyone aligned. As a best practice, choose one primary tool for formal tracking and use Slack as the capture and notification layer. That way, quick ideas become tasks immediately, and detailed planning lives in your project tool. To wrap up, use slash to do for speed, Slack lists for shared visibility, and a connected app for robust project management. Keep task names clear, assign a single owner, set due dates when possible, and keep conversation attached to the task. With these approaches, you'll turn chat into action and keep your team moving in sync.